Imagine stepping into your home and immediately feeling a wave of comfort and relaxation wash over you. At Unified Comfort Systems, we believe that every home should be a haven for peace and tranquility. Today, we're sharing our top tips for creating cozy corners that radiate warmth and comfort. First up, focus on your HVAC settings. A well-regulated temperature is key to maintaining a cozy environment. Keep it consistent. Around 68 to 72 degrees Fahrenheit can make a significant difference. Next, think about your furnishings. Layering different textures, such as plush throws, soft pillows, and warm rugs, can turn any room into a relaxing retreat. Don't forget about air quality. Ensuring proper ventilation and using air purifiers can drastically improve the atmosphere, making it easier to breathe and aiding overall well-being. Lighting plays a crucial role. Opt for soft, warm lighting instead of harsh, bright lights. Using dimmable lights or adding more lamps can create a soothing ambiance. Finally, add personal touches. Items like family photos, favorite books, and cherished mementos can make a space feel uniquely yours. Taking these steps not only creates a more comfortable space, but also enhances your overall quality of life. Unified Comfort Systems is here to help you achieve the perfect balance of coziness and efficiency in your home. Stay tuned for more tips and insights on creating your ideal living environment.